Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and initiating pairing right away. Make sure your Apple Watch has battery and your iPhone 16 Pro Max is unlocked and on the home screen. You'll save time by disabling airplane mode and ensuring Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active. Once done, bring the watch screen near the iPhone and wait for the pairing animation. If you don't see it, open the watch app and tap Start Pairing. This gets the devices talking, so the setup assistant can guide you. After the animation appears, you'll use your iPhone camera to center the watch face inside the frame, which securely pairs the devices and transfers pairing keys. Next, choose whether to restore from a backup or set up as new. Restoring saves settings and apps, while starting fresh reduces clutter. Make sure to read and accept terms, create a watch passcode for security, and enable Apple Pay and Health Sync so notifications, fitness data, and payments work seamlessly across both devices. Finish by letting your iPhone and Apple Watch complete the sync. Apps, photos, and preferences transfer in the background, so be patient. If progress stalls, restart both devices and make sure they remain close. Network resets can clear stubborn Bluetooth or Wi-Fi blocks. If pairing repeatedly fails, unpair the watch from the watch app and start over, which clears the secure keys and often resolves issues. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle Bluetooth off and on, then repeat the pairing step to re-establish the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.